Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's K to the J, Korin.Jones. This video is going to be on Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I recently upgraded my Ipsy subscription from the $10 bag to the $25 box. This is my second time getting the box. I was going to do my very first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box last month, but I totally blanked on editing it, and I edited it, but once it was done, it was already the 1st of August. So, but I have this one. It is the 12th, and I will have it up by the end of the month, hopefully. But this was the look that I created using the products in this month's box. If you aren't aware of Ipsy, it's a monthly subscription, and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get full-size products other than the $10 bag. When you get the bag, but you get 5 sample products. So yeah, this is what I did using these products. So if you want to see how I got here, just keep watching. But subscribe if you aren't already, because that should be the first thing that you do. So this month's box comes with the Balm Cosmetics In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2, and this retails for $32, and it's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades in it. Next is the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. It's just a palette full of blush shades. NYX is a really affordable brand, and this retails for $20 for 8 blush shades. Next is the Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask. It retails for $33. It's mineral rich, and it helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. The fourth thing in the box, but it's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and it is tinted, and I got the shade medium, and this retails for $39.50. And it's just a hydrating primer with proprietary 3D Skin Flex technology. It's a lightweight formula, and it gives you a natural looking finish. It also has SPF 50, so it's also got sunscreen in it for if you're like having a no makeup day and you just want to wear something that's got a little bit of coverage. This would be perfect. So the last thing in the box is the Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and I got the shade Trust Fund, and it's just like a really bronzy gold shade, and these retail for $26. And it's just a liquid highlighter. It's got a water resistant formula, so it won't budge. You can wear it without makeup on your no makeup days just for highlight, or you can wear it in your foundation. It's pretty multi-use. Okay, so I just put on the mask. I went ahead and put it all over my face. It says to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, so we'll do that. We'll leave it on for, I don't know, 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 7 minutes, and this is what the mask looks like. It kind of soaked into my skin. It's kind of got like a lotion texture. It's a hydrating cream mask, so it's not like a clay mask or like, you know, like a gel mask. So it kind of does exactly what it says. It feels like a cream, it feels like a lotion. It does feel really hydrating. I'm gonna go grab a washcloth so we can wipe this off and get started with everything else. Since it's not like super thick or anything, I should be able to get it off with just this washcloth, and it feels really nice, and it actually smells pretty good now. I didn't really have a scent when I was putting it on, but I can kind of smell it now. It just smells kind of coconutty. Let's see what's in here. It's got shea butter, aloe leaf juice, aloe leaf extract, Dead Sea water, Dead Sea mud. My skin, it does feel supple and hydrated. And if you can see, it's kind of brighter. This pimple, man, I just need to cover it up already. But I like that mask overall. I'll probably use it once a week because I do have drier skin as of lately. I'm gonna put some Mario Badescu face spray. This is with aloe and chamomile and lavender, just to calm my pores after that. So my face is ready to rock. I want to use the moisturizer that came in the Ipsy bag. Yeah, it's kind of got a tint to it. So this would be more like for like your no makeup days. But we're gonna try it, and then I'll put a primer on top of it. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up. So they sent me this shade medium, and it looks pretty good. And it does have SPF in it, so we'll see if it's got like white sheen. There we go. So I'll start with one pump and see what it's all about. Whoa, 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 it's full coverage. I'm looking a little ghostly, but it feels nice. It doesn't feel like greasy or anything. So that's what it looks like after a minute of being on my face. Okay, so let me get rid of this box. Recycle your boxes. I'm gonna throw on the Suva Beauty Illuminating Drops. I'm gonna put a little bit in my high points. So it comes in like a teardropper, and it's actually pretty thick. I'll use my finger. Ooh. Those are pretty. Those would be nice for like a natural glow. I mean, not as much as I used, but like if you're not wearing makeup, you can put this like on your high points. So I'm gonna put foundation and concealer on really quick, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have my base and my brows done. So I'm gonna go in with, I think we're gonna do the eyes before we finish the face. Blush, bronzer, and all that jazz. So I'm gonna go into this palette that we got. This is the Balm Greatest Hits Volume Dose. So we're gonna use these shades at the bottom for an eyeshadow look. First, I'm gonna prime really fast with my paint pot. I like to set my eyeshadow primer with powder. Some people don't like to do that. Some people think it takes the tackiness away and you won't have the shadow stick as well. But me, I don't mind. I like to set it. So I'm gonna take a Morphe E17 brush, which is just like a blending brush, and I'm gonna go into, I think we're just gonna go into this shade right here, which is Matte Russo. And it's just like a brown shade. It looks like it kind of has like a purpley undertone. It's not completely like a brown. I'm just gonna put that right in my crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna actually go into the darker shade right here, Matte Reed right here. Same brush, and just put it right on top of it. I'm gonna use a blending brush for pink shade. We're gonna go into this one right here. This is Frat Boy, and I'm gonna actually just use this as an eyeshadow and go around the edge of that purple we laid down. Should I cut my crease? I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of this to deepen it. And then I'm going to use this with the pink one more time to just really make it stand out. And it is a matte blush, so it doesn't have any shimmers in it, which is definitely going to help with using it as a shadow. Okay, and then actually I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease and blended out the edges. I'm gonna add a color on top of the concealer that we did to cut the crease. I'm gonna add a blush from our NYX, what is it, Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm gonna use this bright ass pink right here because I wouldn't use that as a blush. It's actually too bright for me. And I'm just gonna use a BH Cosmetics shader brush. This one's all beat up. It's one of my oldest brushes. I'm gonna apply that really generously. And there we have it. I'm going to take Matte Read under my eye and just keep it tight. I don't want to look like I have a black eye or anything. Alrighty. And then for an inner corner, I'm going to use Merry Luminizer, which is the highlight shade in the favorites or whatever. And then I'm going to use the blending brush to soften it up. So for lashes, I'm using the Queen Stash 420 lashes. And they're just pretty wispy lashes. If you haven't tried Queen Stash, they're cute. They come with a little spoolie in there in each pair of lashes. Okay, so while I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm going to add blush. I'm going to bronze first. Actually, I'm going to use the Bahama Mama bronzer. And then I'm going to use this brush with this shade right here in the NYX Cosmetics palette to bronze. It's kind of like a rose gold shade. So if you can see, it kind of added a little bit of a glow, but also warmth to my face. And I'm going to use the same brush and go into, I'm going to use this one and this one, the two on the end. A little peach and a little shimmer. I'm going to use a Morphe brush and go into my Luminizer, which is this shade, and then we're going to use in our inner corner. Okay, and then I'm going to add my lashes. Okay, so those are the lashes. This look kind of got kind of crazy and wild, but that's alright. I'm going to use the same brush actually and add this, which one? This peach shade that we use on our cheeks to our eyes. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to use a Pixie Beauty lip gloss. This one is in the shade Sheer Rose. It smells really good. Okay, so this is the finished look I did using this month's ipsyPlus box. If you haven't used Ipsy or just like an Ipsy bag, it's only $10 and the ipsyPlus is $25, and you get full-size products in the ipsyPlus other than the samples that you would get in the Ipsy bag. But this is my second month with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I really liked this month. Last month could have been better. All I got was like, what did I get? Like a face wash and an eyeshadow or a highlighter palette, and then like that was pretty much the highlight of the box. But this was a really good box this month. If you haven't upgraded or you want to try it, I suggest you try it. Just try it for a month and then you can go back to just a $10 Ipsy bag. This was my Ipsy review look. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I love you guys. Peace and love.